Alright guys, so this is definitely another day. Yesterday I wanted to go to the beach, but you know, in the previous clip you could have seen that it was very gloomy outside, but today it's actually a really beautiful day. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful day. The sun is out and everything seems good. Hey Max.
Yeah, you handsome man.
So I'm gonna go inside now and get some packing done and get ready to go out. Catch you later. Alright, so right now I'm actually waiting for Fee to finish taking her shower before we can actually head out to the beach. And I'm almost certain I could probably watch an entire Lord of the Rings or just a long movie about before she actually is done getting ready. But I'm just gonna listen to some music for a little bit and hopefully she gets ready before the movie is done. Oh gosh. Yesterday we had planned to, what did we plan to do? Go to the beach, but that didn't work out. So I actually decided that we should go to the movies, but like, I don't know, like around the holiday periods, like the 27th and so on, which is my birthday, it gets really packed at the local mall. Like our local mall is Sovereign, which is, for us it's a big mall, but in America definitely wouldn't. And it was really packed. I mean, so I was going to the movies, so I didn't carry my vlog camera at all because I was like, you can't vlog inside the theaters anyway. So but I think I should have a clip of how packed the mall was. But long and short, we went to the movies, it was sold out. There were like thousands of children there, and then we decided to go to TGIF. Went there, we had drinks and what else, had dessert. It was alright, you know, but that's pretty much how I ended my birthday. Pretty chill day. Went to Wendy's. Wendy's. But for me personally, it's just a matter of appreciating company and the persons that you're around and who chose to spend, you know, your birthday with you. You know, it doesn't have to be like a club or anything like that. Proof. I think Fiona left her. This was like a, I don't know if you can see. It's like a blue curacao kind of drink or something. Like she had like 2 sips, like literally, and she was tipsy. I had a mojito, which was like excessively sweet, but yeah, that's what I had. And I'm still here waiting. The movie is done. I actually watched the movie and the movie was done.
Get right to it, sir. And then like them head just a little bit above the steering.
Just to put some air in my tires, but this old lady is on the tire pump and I have to help her put some air in the tires. You want help? You never put air in that tire? Mm-hmm. Seriously?
Yes.
As you might see, I'm sweating like a pig because apparently I'm working at a gas station. So there are 2 ladies and I had to help them putting gas in their tires, but now we should be on our way. our way to Juicy Beef to get something to eat right now. I'm hungry, and that will be like our lunch before we go to the beach. So, yeah, pasties are guys. Yeah, I want breakfast, that's what I want. They have breakfast more like probably aki. So, sitting down in a juicy thing that she says is not original. Yes, so it's not the original juicy beef, so that means that we can't get patties here.
I did not see that.
But yeah, there wasn't any breakfast here, so we got like two cheese patties and two small soups. Okay, so that's what we're going to be having right now. That's the bill. It's like $7.80. It's not too expensive. That's why sometimes they have a lot of persons who travel to Jamaica. They like the patties here. It's really good and it's not so expensive. So $7.80 is like equivalent to what? Like $6 US maybe. So we definitely got our soup now. Small soup. Start the day off. It's not so bad. Yo, I'm not gonna tell you no lie. That soup there, soup is live. Really, really live. It's really good. Trust me. Normally, if I don't like something, I'm gonna say it. Super good. What do you think about the soup? It's pretty good. But you said something was a little bit wrong with it. What was it?
That's had a bit too much salt.
But it's good though. Cool. Honesty is the best policy. Like I watch those advertisements and I always go, like everything is good. You guys know me, I talk about like I watch like a food advertisement and I'm like, how's this meal? And they go, before it even touches their mouth. Like how do you taste the food so quickly? Like the spoon just touched by your mouth and you're like, So I found a dumpling in my soup and Fiona requested my dumpling. So here you go. Here's a dumpling, take it. So me I got starve. That's just the way it is. Yeah, I'll take the yam. Sure. Gracias. Start speak some Spanish now. Because everyone knows that once I say something in Spanish, you start to lament in Spanish.
Cállate.
Cállate. You telling me to shut up? So this is the proof of how good the soup is, or the soup was. All that's left is a carcass, shell down. Inside, that's a cheese patty. Yeah. So we're now leaving that juicy beef. About to head into the car and then head to the beach. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we just got to the beach. Well, the parking lot at the beach. For the moment. Yeah. So I'm really happy about what's happening now because the sun is really out. You know, it's still a sunny day, so it should actually make for a really good beach flex. You know, a little bit of relaxation and stuff. It might be a little bit crowded because still a holidays, and you know, it's a great place for the children to come and for ramp and do all them little something there. I just really hope that they don't peep you up the water. Oh, look at that, guys. Water. Water. Oh, snap. Can't wait to get my toes in the sun. Yeah. So if I could take my slippers off because I really want to feel the sun. For some reason I'm always fortunate enough to get this little bench kind of thing. Always fortunate, but right now I'm a lot more interested in putting my feet in the sun. Well, not in the sand, but in the water. Ah. Oh yeah. Pretty fantastic. I love it. Pretty fantastic. Water is cold on a hot day. I mean, you can't really ask for more. I'm looking for the shrimp lady because I really love shrimp. I'm gonna see if we can find her somewhere. Natural hanger. So cool. For the meantime, I'm just going to lay here for a little bit and just enjoy just the scenery. So I'm just gonna let you guys see what I'm looking at right now, just so you guys can feel like you're here with me. Shrimpy. So I told you guys that I was gonna get some shrimp. So let me try to grab some money real quick and get. Yeah, my YouTube on him something, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, thanks. Pepper and anything, thing, right?
Yeah.
Well hot.
Yeah.
Blessed sin?
Yeah, man.
Cool. So you are original man you get shrimp from?
Yeah, man.
Funny shrimp. Fresh sea cod
the
shrimp.
sauce.
Sea sauce there. Hot.
Yeah. Hot.
So whenever you guys possibly come to Fort Clarence,
Yes,
don't know.
Let's look for the little shrimp, eh?
Alright.
Yes.
Cool, blessed.
Yes,
Alright, thanks a lot.
You know what we always want to do? Like going in the water and like you know when there's chicken here, like what's that?
You want to do that shot? beautiful. I enjoy it, you know. It's fantastic. Shrimp. Nice.